Yes, the unexpected, always to expect it. Now I can't neglect all the bad memories affected. My own damn brain, the damage is there, but it's trying to repair all the moments, yes I swear. When I come in on, I'm making new memories by day. If the future is now, then the past is today. Now I'm living history, I'm living for the future. I'll be living in the past memories. I'm going after you, going after me. I'll be going after who? I'll be going after who I see. And I'll be feeling free, freer than I've ever been. And I need to see crazy things in this life. Getting lean, getting high, you know why? Cause I love to fly with the birds and the bees in the motherfucking sky. Let the beats just drop like a pigeon dropping shit. I'll be flowing like a river downstream. I know it's got to be that time. And boy, I do not stop. And I got it going on. And yeah, I'm feeling hot. And the sun just be setting. And yeah, you see the light. It's just that I'm being like, alright, now I'm here in the mood, in the zone, in the good, in the home, where I'm really feeling good off the dome. And you know that I'll be coming, I'll be killing it all night. I'll be coming down, I wanna freestyle proper tight. Get me on the radio, get me up on that stage, get me on the microphone, I'll be controlling rage. All eyes on me, all ears listening, thoughts be looking up, stars they be twinkling, glistening in a place where it is so beautiful. And I know I affiliate what is beautiful in your soul, in your mind, a spiritual human being, I'm one of a kind.